what a start. Inside out and upside down. No stress, I'ma clean up this mess.
Hello, it's Leigh here. Welcome to week 32 of Margarete Millers' Collage Challenge. The prompts for this week are a contraption, a piece of postcard either side, something that starts with the letter F, a barcode, a date or anything from a calendar, and the bonus is something from a magazine. So I have this thing, I don't know what it is, it's some sort of contraption, but it was out of a steampunk journal kit. Looks like a flying something or other. It's got a sail on it as well. Postcard, I've got this one. Something that starts with the letter F. I've got a flower, a barcode. I've got a barcode on this envelope, and there's also a date on here, so I'm going to use that. And then I've just got some neutrals to put in my background. So my planner, which I've been using since week 18 for my different collages in. I've had a couple of people ask where to get the prompts from for Margarete Millers' challenge. She sells them in her Etsy shop. I mean, if you want to buy them, that's the only way you can get the full set. The alternative is to watch someone else's video and you'll see what the prompts are. Okie dokie, so what I'm going to do is just work out where I want my bits and pieces, and I was thinking maybe I'll leave that. It's a shame it's got some scribble on it, but I might leave that in one piece. This bit. I'll just take that bit of it off. So I've got that. I think I'll put my flower behind the window. Piece of, maybe that should go behind there. Let's put that there, and then that in there as well, and then pop that on over the top, something like that. I'm not sure. I'm going to fiddle around with this for a bit. Okay, so I've sort of got it in my head what I'm going to do now. I have reduced the size of everything substantially. It was going to be too big, so I cut my envelope down, pulled the date off it, cut around the flower, and tore off the side of the postcard. So I'm going to put it all down onto this piece of brown paper. So I just want to glue that down first. Get rid of those pointy bits. I'm just going to use a glue stick for that. So as you can see, this is an old planner. Put a couple of entries in it and then that was it. I decided to use it to do my challenge in. Yeah, I'll put that upside down because I like that jaggedy edge. Put that bit there. And the next thing I want to put on is this piece of envelope. So that has my barcode on it. This is my date. Which I'm going to put there, I think. 3rd of the 6th, 2021. And my flower is going to go there. But I also want to put a couple of these other things in here. I've got a little bit of dictionary page. So I'm going to put that there. I have a little piece of music paper, a bit like that. A little bit more music paper, I think. Got some coffee dyed paper. I'll pop that there. Make it a bit smaller. Put one piece there. And this bit I think I'll pop down here. My flower can go there. And this purple glue, which most of you would know, dries clear, so I'm not worried about it being on other parts of the collage. That's fine. Just want something there. A little bit of this, maybe, just a little touch. So that's the actual collage part of it taken care of. I do actually have room for my prompts to go on the page this time. I'm just going to cut them out a bit, make it a bit smaller. It's not straight, but that's okay. And I think I'll just stick it up there, like that. Just going to write the date. So it's number 32. And it's CWP 32. Today's date is the 6th of August 2022. So I'm just going to, on this flower, just do a little bit of highlighting with my pen. Just make it stand out from the rest of the page a bit better. I think that'll do that. And then the only other thing I want to do is a couple of splatters, and I shall do that with ink. So I have my inks. Got this one that I mixed up myself. It's the re-inker from Tim Holtz. I think it's Dusty Rose, but I'm pretty sure I've put something else in there. I think some white splatters would look nice as well. It's just distress ink in water, so I found when I spilt some that it actually is a bit like coffee stain. Just needs a little bit of a dry off. Okay, that's nice and dry now, and the only other thing I want to do is just a little scribbly border around the edge. Give it a bit of a frame. Oops. That'll do. Okay, so that's week 32, the Margarete Miller challenge. So I've got a contraption, which is that thing there, piece of a postcard, which is in here. Something starting with F is my flower. Got my barcode, got a piece of a date, and the bonus was the magazine, piece of a magazine. So I haven't used that. So that's it. Take care. See you in the next video. Hooroo!